Hello, myself Dr. Yatish, Associate Consultant, Orthopedic and Robotic Joint Replacement Surgeon, Narayana Health City, Bangalore. How to prevent arthritis? As far as inflammatory arthritis concerns, if you get the first symptoms like pain, stiffness, swelling, you have to consult your doctor like orthopedician or rheumatologist. So they will early diagnose and they will treat the cause, so resulting in we can prevent the progression of the disease from first stage to stage 4. And if the children who have born with difficulties like abnormality of the joints or deformities, so we can treat them by correcting the deformity. In elderly patient, how will you prevent the arthritic pain? By strengthening your muscle and keeping the vitamin D and calcium level well, exposure to the sunlight, keep your body weight within normal range so that your body and joints should be healthy and you prevent the progression of the arthritis. Now coming to the treatment of the arthritis, whatever may be the reason, if you have arthritis and if it is progressed to the stage 4, we can treat it. The treatment modality includes surgery and we call it is joint replacement surgery, either hip or knee joint. Nowadays, we are treating these arthritis with minimal invasive surgery technique and robotic technique. You can utilize these techniques and you can be free from the disability in your life. If you have arthritis in one joint, if right time, right treatment not taken, it will affect the other joints in the body. So to prevent further disability, it's better to get it done the surgery. At last, the pain or arthritis in the joints anywhere in the body, they can aggravate because of the stress or anxiety. Because stress and anxiety, which releases chemicals in the body, which aggravates the pre-existing diseases, resulting in will have more pain. Healthy lifestyle can prevent the progression of the diseases